Hello, my name is Gino, and I'm going to be your CA for this episode of Chem Buddy dealing with problems finding the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. To start, let's establish some ground rules for these problems. First, these problems should be viewed in a completely hypothetical light. These problems have no bearing on reality and will really only depend on your ability to solve puzzles and use basic properties. So, there are two things you will need to solve these problems. One is the properties of protons, neutrons, and electrons in relation to each other. That will never change. And two is how to problem solve based on the information you have. Problems that deal with the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons are very diverse, and you'll be given different information to start each problem. So, the one tool you will have access to across all these problems are how each type of subatomic particle relate to each other. Let's start with the basics, interpreting an atomic symbol with mass number and atomic number, the nuclear symbol. Both of these numbers will be to the left of your element symbol, in subscript and superscript. The atomic number is the number on the bottom, and is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. The mass number is the number on top, and is the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. So let's start deriving information from here. If you have both of these numbers, to find the number of neutrons, subtract the atomic number from the atomic weight, as the atomic weight is the number of neutrons and protons, and the atomic number is the number of protons, giving you, as the result, the number of neutrons. Now, before we talk about electrons, there's another way to write an element symbol with the atomic weight, the hyphen notation, putting the atomic weight after the element separated by a hyphen. Remember what this is telling you when approaching these problems. The last thing you need to remember is that in any atom of an element, the number of protons will equal the number of electrons, because all elements are neutrally charged, their positive and negative charges balancing out. Use this property if you know either the number of protons or electrons to find the other. To review, know what the atomic number and mass number mean and how they are arranged in the nuclear symbol for an element. Also, know what information is given to you in hyphen notation, and remember that the number of protons equals the number of electrons in neutral atoms of elements. And that is everything you need to know about problems dealing with protons, neutrons, and electrons. Thank you for watching this video and choosing Chem Buddy as your teaching assistant, and please come back and watch more of what our channel has to offer. For my fellow CAs, Chris and Emil, we wish you the best in studying, and hope you enjoyed this video.